time has finally come. Bitcoin's at 100K. I'm telling you, 1 million will be easy. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. Da Vinci is my name, just so you know. Right? So many people call him Jeremy. It's just Da Vinci. And I'm in the pipe 5x5 now that Bitcoin is, whoa, 100K. Finally, boom, just like that. We are all rich. You're like, no, man, I don't have any Bitcoin. Well, I've been telling you that I've been doing this for a while now. and the biggest comment on my video of like, hey, just buy $1 worth of Bitcoin is I'll sue YouTube for not showing me this sooner, right? So, all right. So now we're at 100K. You have an option to get 10X from here because it'll happen. I'm going to talk about that in today's episode. But before we do, I want you to go, if you want to watch this live, because I'm doing this live, right? You could head over down to the more section here, click more, and then click watch my live shows, and then sign up, right? Hit the sign up button because you need to sign in, right? And you have to sign up with my affiliate link, right? Which is provided. And then you could actually join and be a part of this live. Absolutely free. The sign up is free. Just go do it. And then, follow me here, and then you'll be able to watch the show live only through levex.com. That's levex.davincij15.com. Okay. Did you get your Bybit card? Right? You should get your Bybit card. Here's why. Right? It's really easy to buy something. And let me show you in this video that I prepared. Okay, guys, I'm going to buy something with my Bybit card right now. I'm going to buy some coffee. Okay, let's see. There we go. Just like that, you can buy with crypto with Bybit debit card. So not only can you just buy something really easily, right, with just a tap of the card, right? When you do that, right, you can get 10% cash back. 10% cash back to $600, but still, that's money in your pocket, right? You get lots of rebates on select partners, right? Netflix, Spotify, Prime, right? ChatGPT, TradingView, etc., right? You could earn still cash back from 2 and 10%, right? Every single day when you make a purchase. And if you have some idle crypto hanging around, right? You could earn 8%, right? You spend your virtual currencies instantly through Bybit. And there's like free worldwide delivery of this card. So it's a no-brainer. No-brainer. Go get this card, right? You might need to get some special ID, but you're still going to get it. No matter where you are in the world, you're going to get your Bybit card and be able to be sovereign and be able to buy stuff anywhere with your crypto. Okay. Make sure that you show up next week because I'm going to be there. Okay, let's go over Waffles, right? Waffles still looking for that turning moment, but it's coming, right? Don't worry, it's coming. Same with WowMao and PayPay. We're going to go, right? Even though Bitcoin has gone and they're going to go first. Bitcoin's going to go first. It's going to take a rest. It might rest starting here at 103 or 110-ish area. Those are the 2 key points that we have to watch out for Bitcoin to slow down. And we're going to look at the technical analysis because, we've actually won that trade. And let's go over the news quickly, right? New York mayor goats about Bitcoin holdings. Who's laughing now? Yes, the New York mayor, Eric Adams, frequently faced firing squad and conspiracy charges appear to mock members of the press over his Bitcoin holdings. If you are a person in the public sphere, right? And the establishment doesn't like you, they will find conspiracy charges. Now, whether they are true or not are two separate things. but they will find anything against you, right? But you'll notice that if you are supporting the establishment, oh, well, you can't stand trial for your crimes because you're mentally disabled. Oh, damn. Yeah. So, yeah, that's how it is. You know who is against you as an individual when they can get away with criminal behavior? The Clintons, right? So forth, the Bushes, whatever. And the ones who are against it, right? They are actually wiped out. And they have a hard time. So that's the way it is. Now, keep in mind that even though they might have a hard time, if they let them in without dying, that means they know how to control them. I like this. Vladimir Putin, Bitcoin can't be stopped. You know what? There's only one word to that I need to share with you guys. Duh. Can you stop math? No. Can you stop the laws of physics? No. They couldn't even stop the Gutenberg press when it was just a physical device to produce books. BTC's big spot market buying showing up. Yes, we've seen it. And let's go on to the charts here. Make sure you sign up for bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Oh boy. Well, look at that. The dominance just dropped and reversed back up a little bit, but because of, Bitcoin's run, but it is changing as we speak. But let's take a look at Bitcoin. Look at that. Boom. If you took this trade, I told you this trade was still good. If you were too chicken to follow through, you missed out. I told you it was. If you wanted to take profits, you could, right? And that's fine. Profit's profit, right? You could have taken profits here. But if you held it, right, and you said, okay, you know what? Even if I take a loss, I will just reestablish another trade down here and then get it even more bigger trade. And that's how trading works. There could have been a chance where it went down and you need to reestablish your trade. But y'all, if you're a chicken, you didn't get in. Okay, and that's how it is. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't cleared its trade yet, but it is about to, right? You can see we are right about there. You could say, since, 2-to-1 is probably the right trade, right? You could say, well, I should probably just take profits here and that'd be fine. I wouldn't fault you with that. But I really think we can go a lot higher, just below the 4K mark. I think there's a little bit more juice here, so we can just pop above that in the next little while. So just watch out. Take a look at our Solana trade, because I'm pretty sure we had one. We're still looking for it to come back down, but it hasn't come back down. You can see that it is actually doing, so let's ignore this trade here. It's not doing what we were planning on doing, this AB equals CD. And you can see that this is actually a breakout setup here. So we have to accept what the market is telling us, right? And trade accordingly. So with this W pattern or, double bottom, we have to go, okay, that's how you're going to play. You're not going to come down here. Okay, we're going to go higher. Fine, let's do it. So effectively, right, the breakout level is approximately here. And you could tell, because we're in a bull market, you could probably get into a trade right now. You can go long on this thing right now. Let's go. Let's do this. Right in here. Boom. We're going to go for a long. We're going to go to, you shouldn't do a knob stop, but we're going to do that anyways. And then go with the 2-to-1, because I think the knob stop will be fine because we're in a bull market. And yeah, we can go all the way to the $265 mark for Solana. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you join us to watch this thing live, because I'm going to be answering questions now. It's really, the link is in the description. You just check that out. Sign up at levex.davincij15.com. It's only for those subscribers, and that's it. And yeah, we'll see you live. Cheers. Peace.